Hey guys, Eric and Anton here. We just wanted to show you a little bit about what we're doing with TikTok shops. TikTok shops is a new thing out in the market. They started probably a few months ago, and we've been kind of working on Eric's store right now, doing some beta testing. And we just wanted to show you kind of the success we've had over the last like 4 days, actually. It took about probably 2 to 3 weeks to kind of get it up and running, but we started to see some really awesome results over the last four days or so. So Eric, why don't you share your screen, show them a little bit about what we've got going and what we have to offer.
All right, guys. So just a little pitch deck we put together for the TikTok shops. Say that 3 times fast. TikTok shops.
TikTok shops.
TikTok shops. Yeah. TikTok shops. So TikTok has over 1 billion users a month. They were able to attain that traffic within 4 years compared to Facebook taking 10 years. So it's a new marketplace. It's blowing up pretty fast. They seem to be pretty friendly to drop shipping. So it's a really easy process to open up a shop. We've got a little onboarding process we can get you through and get it. Usually can be open within minutes. TikTok selling fees are also only 5%, so much lower than like Amazon, eBay. Facebook is also 5% right now. The way it works or how it works. So we start seeing sales within days. So my store did take a few weeks, but I think they didn't really get any listings in there until probably just within the last week here. So I mean, our sales have been ramping up pretty fast. I'll show you my store here in a little bit. We're looking at like 30 to 50% ROI on the sales. We'll be able to get like from what we've been seeing on our other stores that we're running through our manager, $500 plus in monthly sales within 30 to 60 days. You'll see that I'm already up to close to 1,200. Then probably by the end of this video, I'll be over $1,200 in sales in the first week of sales coming in. TikTok pays out their profits in 14 days after shipping, and they direct deposit the profits right into your bank account. Here's some results showing. I actually got to update this already because as we were making this video, like these numbers have actually jumped up pretty high already. So as you can see, this is just from like September 20th to September 26th. Actually, we probably have to redo these on our site, but right now I'll show you on my page. Like actually, like I had $759 in revenue. Now I'm up to close to $1,200 in revenue. So I'll show you that here in a little bit on my store. You do need a couple software. So we have Track Taco, which is where we buy tracking numbers. So when we order the items, we typically order them from like Amazon or Walmart, different places like that. We ship them to the consumer. We make our own tracking numbers for them. And then we also need a VPS, which is a virtual desktop. It's like starting up it's like a computer. It's like an extra computer like built in the cloud where they only have access to whatever you give them to, so they can log into like TikTok and whatever they need to get into. I think this might be $16 a month now. I might have to edit that, but yeah. So 2 things we need to have set up to run your store. The cost breakdown right now, we're looking at $1,500 for an initial setup fee. We do a 50-50 split on all profits, and really only need about $1,000 of credit or cash available. I mean, if you have a credit card and we start spending more than that quickly, you just have to pay it down. So the larger you have, so if you do have a card with a few thousand on it, that'd probably be optimal, but you could do it with something as low as 1,000. You just have to be paying it off more often. So yes, if you want to schedule a call with us, also on our page, we have a TikTok page and you can sign up right on our page. But I'm going to flip over to my store now and show you. So yeah, so right now, let me try to refresh this and see if it's gone up anymore. Yeah, so right now we have, just in the last like 7 days here, I can actually go back to last month, which there's a few sales that happened outside of the 7 days, but I've had 720 people visit my store, 90 items sold, a revenue of $1,266.28 so far. You can see all the orders that we put in, all the orders that are coming in, pages of orders already coming in, which is pretty awesome. Here's our products. I only have 26 products listed in the store right now. So it kind of shows you how much inventory we have and the prices. And come down to, what else can we see? Analytics. This kind of just a bunch of different graphs that you have access to if you get your store up and running. So, but pretty exciting. I mean, we've only been sales have really started ramping up. This is the last, like just today alone, we've had 327 visitors, 14 sales, 172 in revenue last 7 days, 1,154 in revenue in the last 28 days, 1,266 in revenue. So pretty awesome. So we have a pretty low buy-in. I mean, we're looking to do $1,500 to buy in. I mean, you should be able to make that money back pretty quick and then just have, ROI after that, which is pretty awesome. We do have some combination packages you can check out too, where you can combine this with eBay and or Facebook. If that's something you're interested in, and we can do combinations and then kind of multiply the revenue you have by having more stores running for you. So if you're interested, set up a call with us. We're able to get you guys up and running pretty quickly and probably get your sales rolling in within the first, probably 7 to 14 days, really. So pretty exciting. I don't know if you have anything else to add, Anton, but otherwise.
No, just that we're only limiting into 20 stores to start off with.
Right.
So if you do want to come in, we are doing limited 20 stores to start off, to kind of ramp up a little bit, and probably be adding some once we get the team situated and start adding some people to our team and things like that. So, but 20 stores to start, and then from there we'll see what happens.
Awesome. All right. Well, thanks guys for watching, and we're excited to work with you.
Yeah. Thanks everybody. Appreciate you guys.